So guys, I really hope you enjoyed that little spring clean. Come shop with me and you got a few ideas and inspiration. I definitely got a bit of inspiration on a few rooms that I want to sort of declutter, spring clean and reorganise. So keep a lookout in the next couple of weeks because I will have a few spring cleaning videos as well as a few other spring theme videos. So there will be a fashion video and a top 10 nail polish picks for spring. So stay tuned for them. But for now, I just wanted to share with you what I picked up quickly when I was out and about shopping. I've only got a few things, but I just thought I'd share them with you today. So first off, the most boring thing that I bought was some Bicarb of Soda. I always get this in Lidl. It's the cheapest bicarb I've found. It's 200 grams and I put it in my little shaker tin that you might have seen in previous Clean With Me videos, and I love using this to clean sort of the sink, showers, floors, anything like that. It's really good teamed with white vinegar. So I'd say over the last year I've tried to replace a lot of my cleaning products for more natural formulas and things like that, and obviously using bicarb and white vinegar. And I was actually on the hunt for a toilet cleaner that wasn't a bleach, and I found this one by Ecover, I think it's called, and this is the pine and mint scent. This was in Sainsbury's and it was actually only £1.50, so I thought I would give it a go. It's actually cruelty free. Let me know actually if you've used anything from this brand before. I'd love to know because I've seen a lot of things that look quite appealing, and I have just been using sort of the Method products and Cleanology products, but I'd also like to try more from this brand. So let me know if you have any recommendations. So speaking of Cleanology cleaners, I actually spotted these back in stock in Lidl, if you saw at the start of the video, for £1.89 I think, but actually after I did go to Waitrose and I saw them for £1.50 on offer. So if you do have a Waitrose near you, I would probably grab them there because they are that little bit cheaper, but usually I think in Waitrose they're about £2 something. But I wanted to grab another one of the Shower and Granite black pepper and juniper sprays. This is a great one for after you've showered. You just actually spray it after you've turned the shower off, just spray it all over the glass if you have a glass shower, and it just helps to keep it really nice and clean and streak free. So the last two things I got were from Home Bargains. So I wanted to get some of these pearl scourers just for when I'm cleaning the sink and the shower. I do have a microfiber sort of sponge, but I find it doesn't clean as well. I just needed something a little bit more abrasive. So I got these 3 pearl scourers and I think these were £1. Then I saw the cutest pair of rubber gloves. I don't actually have sort of a designated pair of rubber gloves for cleaning. I usually just recycle the old ones that we have after washing up and I'll just use them, but I thought I deserved a pair just separately for spring cleaning and that were a bit longer so you don't get your hands all wet. So I found these in Home Bargains. I can't remember how much they were, but I will pop them down below. But these are in the medium and they're just in this beautiful lilac shade. I'm really into lilac at the moment, I think because it is kind of spring, although it has been raining here at the moment. But I really like the polka dot and how long they were. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this little spring clean haul and come shop with me. Give this video a big thumbs up if you felt inspired to do some spring cleaning. Also, don't forget to subscribe and also keep a lookout for my up and coming spring videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter for more inspiration. And if you did miss my last video, you can go ahead and click on the picture link in the middle and that will take you to that video. I hope you're all having a wonderful Easter break and I will look forward to seeing you in my next one. Take care, bye!